Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad with sweet corn. First, select about 2 pounds of waxy potatoes, such as Yukon Golds or red potatoes, for the best texture. Wash them thoroughly and prepare them for cooking. This foundational step ensures your salad has the perfect base. We'll then move on to preparing the fresh sweet corn and crafting a delicious, creamy dressing. To begin, boil your 2 pounds of waxy potatoes in salted water until they are perfectly fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. While they cook, prepare your sweet corn. You can cut the kernels from 2 fresh ears or use 1 cup of frozen corn. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and let them cool completely before dicing them into 1-inch pieces. Now, let's create the delicious dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream until smooth. Stir in 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for a lovely tang and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finish by seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. With your potatoes cooled and diced and your dressing ready, it's time to assemble. Gently combine the diced potatoes, sweet corn, and any other desired additions like finely chopped celery or red onion in a large bowl. Pour the creamy dressing over the mixture and fold everything together carefully to avoid mashing the potatoes. Chill the potato salad for at least 1 hour before serving for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.